Hello and welcome to the video. Boy, am I excited for this one. We have a final completion video for a buddy build with our good friend Shawn over at the Scale Model Car Guy channel. We teamed up on a pair of early annual Chevy pickups, 6061 by AMT SMP. We're both producing these kits at the time. My instructions are 1960 SMP. The only difference between the 6061 is like the fender trim and the hood inserts. So Shawn's represents a 61, mine represents a 60 in this case. But again, Shawn provided the kits, I provided the paint jobs, and then we went from there on our builds. I think they both look fantastic, turned out excellent. Again, we have the matching paint schemes, just a variation of colors, so they're easily identifiable, but you can see the connection with the buddy build. Again, mine is SMP 1960, and I went 100% box stock 1960s parts, so hard to beat 60s style, going away from 60s parts. Parts used there are the wheel covers, the wide white walls, the side exhaust. We got the tube grill up front. We got the tonneau cover out back. I guess I just realized that I haven't put on the spotlights, but that's just kind of a minor touch there. I went with the stock taillights. There is a custom taillight version, but I just like the little cleaner look of the stock taillights. But the whole package just absolutely works out perfectly together, in my opinion, and has that look that I was going for, and just I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. I think it just has a stunner of a look, especially under the lights and on the table. As far as the paint jobs go, I do have a video out on the paint jobs, so if you guys want to see more involved with that, go check out that video, link in the description. Obviously, a link in the description for Shawn's. Make sure you go check out his final on his. Again, they look fantastic. We'll cover a little bit more. I'll get some B-roll kind of under the hood. These are pretty early kits, so they're pretty simplified. Not a whole lot to talk about, but I'll get some kind of B-roll photo shots of some things as we go topside to take a look from above. And here's a shot of the interior. Not a whole lot going on in a pickup, but we airbrushed the seats and door panels with some craft paints, pearl white and a custom mixed purple. And then just tackle some detail on the dash with the vents, radio, chrome bezels, everything that we can detail up. And here's a couple of shots of the engine here for you real quick. And here we are, a little top-down look for you. Give you a little different look at the pickup and the paintwork. I will recap the paint here real quick for you. The lower base is Tamiya Pearl White. Upper base is Testors Extreme Lacquer Diamond Dust. The outer shading of the purple is, again, Testors Extreme Lacquer Purplicious. And then filled in the centers and the pattern work with Createx Candy 2.0. It's their candy line. I mixed some purple and red together to get that tone that you see, especially on the hood. And then top that all off with a urethane 2K clear. It's just a cheap spot clear. You can get it online or Napa or whatever. It's the Finish Line brand, I believe. But again, it's a nice spot clear, so it's dust-free in like 20 minutes. It's really clear, no yellowing, so no reason to spend a whole lot on your clear to get good results. It's been working very well for me. So give you a nice look again around the top. When it comes around, we'll stop it and pop the hood. Again, this being an annual, there's not a whole lot to look at, but we will give you a little shot under the hood. This guy, again, all box stock under the hood. Let me see if I can zoom in down here. A little different look. This radiator support, I did kind of re-chrome with like the bumpers and the wheel. Everything chrome on here was repainted with a chrome. Give it kind of a side look. The engine block and heads and stuff are a purple aluminum intake. We've got chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner caps, and then just a variety of like black and metal colors there, like on the exhaust. And a brake cylinder. And not a whole lot to look at, but just some simple detailing to make it all look good. You can see the top of the dash is painted silver like the roof. We did have a little shot of the interior, and I think that about wraps it up for this one. Again, super stoked with how it turned out. We'll probably do some glamour shots at the end to round it out. Again, if you made it to the end, thanks for watching. Really enjoyed this build, and we will see you next time.